mga kabalin, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, kayo ba'y naghahanap ng native food, live music, and events place dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga? Check out nyo to.
Guys, this is one of the newest restaurant dito po sa San Fernando, Pampanga. This is Apag Nangnang. Guys, if you wanna know more about this restaurant, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara,
Let's go! So ayun nga guys, again, welcome back dito po sa Apag Nangnang.
Yes.
And located lamang po yan dito sa may Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Actually, yung pinaka-landmark natin dito,
yung parang Allied Bank.
Allied
so,
Bank
mas kilala
sa
nila to
Dolores.
as Allied. Ang pinaka-landmark, malapit siya doon sa Rotonda ng San Fernando.
Rotonda, yung parang may monumento sa
Yes.
gitna. Ayun. And then, pagpasok nyo dito guys, parang meron tayong tatlong sections, di ba? So, first section is Kubo. Kubo area. Isang section din, where we are right now, is yung ng events place.
Yes, ito yung second floor nila na they can accommodate up
till
to
80
na tao dito sa may second floor.
Yes.
And maganda ito sa mga special events
Exactly.
like birthday, kasal, binyag.
Correct.
Yan.
Kagandahan dito guys, hindi lang siya events place. So yung mga food dito mismo, you can avail them as low as 500 pesos. So
Yes.
depende po sa budget, depende sa gusto nyong ihanda para sa mga bisita ninyo. Meron po tayong mga selection.
Yes.
Tama.
And I commend din yung lugar. Even though open siya, presko.
Exactly. High ceiling.
Yes.
At the same time, all in all, 350 person ang pwede niyang i-accommodate.
Napakalaki na.
Napakalaki.
Pero kahit valley feeling siya, yung mga food natin,
Exactly.
mga Filipino
food. So speaking of Filipino food, what do we have on our table?
We have scallops, crispy pata, grilled stuffed pusit, grilled squid. Yes, we have sinigang, salmon, our all-time favorite sisig. Meron tayong crispy kare-kare, tempura, and pancit Mickey bihon.
And guys, samahan niyo po kami. We're gonna, of course, experience the food. Join us.
Tara, let's eat.
Let's eat. Grabe, Mark, solid. Ang dami natin natikman ngayon. So guys, another place for you to check out. This is Apag Nangnang.
Yes, this is located dito sa may San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya, tapat siya ng Rotonda ng San Fernando.
Yes.
And they are open from 10 a.m. to 12 midnight, Monday to Sunday.
So grabe, from lunch up until midnight, pwede po kayong bumisita dito. Lalong-lalo na yung, halimbawa, paggabi na, talagang nag-crave ka ng mga ganitong pagkain, no, bro?
This is another option sa mga pupuntahan nyo.
And then at the same time, sa mga naghahanap po ng events place, go nowhere, think nowhere. Another option for you guys to go to is Apag Nangnang. So there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery,
Peace out. Bye, guys.